Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you guys my new favorite herbal tea. For starters, I love the combination of rose with hibiscus. Just like it sounds, it tastes delicious, and it's just great to start your day. I love that this thing has caffeine as well, because I love to replace it with my morning coffee. I'll have this tea instead. And I just love how unique it is. It's just so sweet, and it's got a really soft taste. It's not too strong. I absolutely love it. Aside from the delicious flavor, drinking this tea has many benefits. It supports a healthy glow, it really helps your skin detox, and it supports cleansing. So drinking it on a daily basis will really improve your skin texture. And if that wasn't enough, this tea is also organic, vegan, and gluten-free. So this is great for anybody, and it's also a great addition to anyone's herbal tea collection. This herbal tea is honestly one of my new favorites, but that's just my point of view.